Hello, this is Lalit Kumar. I am the head of the Department of Business Analytics and Artificial Intelligence at Pune Institute of Business Management at the city of Pune in the state of Maharashtra. I have more than 18 years of industry experience. When I say experience, I would like to add that I have worked in the world of analytics and artificial intelligence, as in, let's say, text analytics, video analytics, and of course, traditional analytics, let's say, in the industry of banking, finance, or human resource analytics, or for that example, retail also. We teach here agentic AI, prompt engineering, Python programming, or business analytics courses. Not only that, we ensure that students get prepared for the roles of data scientist or machine learning specialist or AI consultants. We will teach you business statistics, all of these relevant skills which are really useful for you for the industry expertise. How do we teach here? We of course conduct the normal traditional classroom programs. At the same time, we have practical hands-on experience. We give them proper case studies, proper classroom sessions, and the schedule is quite hectic, at the same time it's quite rewarding. And we ensure that students are monitored and helped by us throughout the entire 2-year program here. So we ensure that students are good in learning things as well as they are prepared for the future generations, which increases the use of artificial intelligence and machine learning.